Alright guys and gals, here we go. CheFPV here, zero ground FPV. Like I always say, gotta give me some Rana right now. Man, I am loving this Turbo Mach Drones Rana. It's just so sick. So 50-51s are back on it. Brand new goldfishes from Racecraft and Heli Nation. Thanks to Patrick at Heli Nation. Check it out. We got them bad boys on other quads too. Treble Blades Inc. X-Murderer, LRC X-Racer. We've already done some little tests with those. Pretty interesting. But we're just gonna do a quick little fun fly with the Rana. I really don't want to crash it too much, so I'm just gonna kind of fly. We have a race Sunday for zero ground we're putting on from Multi GP. So check us out there. Sit back and enjoy, guys. Let's do it. Oh, wow. So it appears I lost the pigtail off of the Rana somewhere. I'll have to figure that one out. But I was flying the entire pack without a pigtail on the Unify VTX.